Hi guys, I'm here to change the way I'm accepting assignments being turned in. The email thing is crazy, and Mrs. Moon has a much better way to do it. It's going to save me a lot of work, and it's going to be faster for you guys to see your grades, and it's just a whole lot better. So I'm going to let her explain it. Please pay close attention to her because she's going to show you on her phone step by step what needs to be done. So, starting now, this point forward, Thursday, March 19th, this is how we're going to start turning in
at,
assignments.
at 9:34. No more. Okay, we'll give you till 10:30. Ladies and gentlemen, you have assignments that are in the stream, that are in the classwork. Go there, push the little button. You can upload your picture that you took. You know how to do this. If you want to download Google Classroom onto your phone and upload your photos that way, it'll make life a little bit easier. If you aren't sure how or where to add or create a document on an assignment, I'm going to show you something. Okay, right here. Look, let's see if it'll focus. Nope, it won't. Ooh, back it up, bring it in. There it is. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, up in the right-hand corner, there's this box. See that right there? Add or create. Push that. Then you can add your pictures, or you can create a document to turn into Mr. Hendershot. And then after you turn it in, mark this button. You need to show that it's done so that he knows. It'll show up as a draft otherwise, and then Google Classroom doesn't like to give you a grade. So please, 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 no more emails. We don't want your work that way. Turn in your pictures through the assignment. You can do this. If it terrifies you, come in and we'll work with you. We love you. Have a great day. And cough in your elbow.
Thank you, Ms. Moon, and
Welcome.
thanks everybody. We'll see you soon.